and welcome to the tutorial for कभी कभी अदिति जिंदगी में यूं ही कोई
कभी कभी तो लगे जिंदगी में रही ना खुशी और ना मजा कभी कभी तो लगे हर दिन मुश्किल और हर पल एक सजा ऐसे में कोई कैसे मुस्कुराए
The style that I have selected for this song is contemporary. This is a great contemporary routine if this is your first introduction to contemporary. This is where you're just starting off and you're kind of like at a beginner, slightly beginner advanced level. This is a great place to start, like this choreography, because it has a lot of basic elements of what contemporary technique is. And because of the song, there's also moments of like really cute, just like shoulders, very jazzy, kind of like a combination of jazz and contemporary, but very, very beginner. So if you're just starting off, this is a perfect routine for you. The vibe of the story of the routine is you're kind of dancing for your friends. So you know how all of us in life have friends that we can do anything for. It's like you want to see them happy, you want to cheer them up. No matter what happens, you're always going to be there for this friend, and you know that this friend is always going to be there for you. And that's kind of the story of this choreography and this song is I don't really want you to dance for yourself. In this specific song, I want you to dance for somebody else. Kind of imagine if your friend was not feeling okay, how can you cheer them up? How can you bring positivity within your movement in a way that it radiates outside and has your friend join in too? Yeah, so that's kind of the vibe of the song. Don't worry, I'm gonna break everything down for you in detail from beginning till the end. If this is your first tutorial with me, know that this tutorial has been mirrored. So as you learn, this is your right side and this is your left side. You'll also be learning the dance in sections. So I'm going to teach you one section of choreography. We're going to try it to music. We'll move on to second section, try it to music, so on and so forth. You can take it at your own pace, go through the sections as many times as you want before we come to the end and we try from beginning till the end of the song. Okay? So let's start with section 1. Section 1, ooh. Let's start with section 1. So section 1 is roughly like the first 20 seconds of the dance. You leave the first line of the song. You don't do कभी कभी अदिति ना 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 कोई अपना लगता है ऐसे में कोई ऐसे मुस्कुराए जैसे हंसते खुश होके ऐसे कोई सोच ले everything's gonna be okay. That whole part is your own thing. It's just like your introduction. You can do whatever you want and then you move on to Kabhi Kabhi Aditi. It's the second Kabhi Kabhi Aditi is when you start the dance. Okay? First Kabhi Kabhi Aditi, you don't do anything. You do your own thing, your improv, your entry, whatever that is. The second Kabhi Kabhi Aditi is when you start dancing. The second one, you're going to start with your right leg, both your hands up behind you. You're going to do a chassé going to the right. So you're going to go step together, step. That's a chassé. And with my body, you will notice I'm kind of going to go boom, ha. It's very jazzy, that specific section. So you really want to use your body during the travel. 1 and 2. Let's try that. 5, 6, 7. To the right. 1 and 2. Chassé to the right. So you finish right, left, right. Your weight is on the right leg right now. You're going to chaîner to the left side. Like I said, a lot of technique, a lot of basic technique in this one. So 3, you're going to extend your arms. On and 4, you're going to turn to the left side. So just turn for now. Just turn, just do a simple turn. That's it. Try one more time. You were here. Just do another simple turn. Boom, boom, ha. Yes? Now you're going to add a plie into that turn. That's like your initiation going into the turn. Plie is just basically bending your knees. So from here, you're going to bend your knees first. Come to this bent position. Now bring your hands together. And then you're going to go out again. Yes? Let's try from the chassé into the plie chaîné out. 5, 6, 7, 8. Kabhi kabhi aditi na boom, boom, ha. And you've come out. Yes? One more time. 5, 6, 7, 8. Chassé to the right. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. That plie is really important. So make sure that you do that plie. So you bent your knees, you went 3 and 4. You're going to move your legs right, left, right. And this is very steps, I want you to think of like being a child, like being like 9, 10 years old, and you're gonna go boom, boom, boom. Just right, left leg. The height is not important, is the vibe of the step is important. So your hands are here, and you're like, oh my God, yay! It's a right, left, right. Almost feels a little more clownish. So try and do all those three together from the chassé. 5, 6, 7, 8, chassé. 3 and 4, 5 and 6. What I do is, when I straighten one leg, the other leg is going bending out, bending out, bending out. To give it that boom, boom, boom. Ha, ha, ha. Feel. Yes? So you did 5 and 6. If you want, you can also bring your hands down to go push, push, push. Boom. On 7, you place your right leg in the front. On and 8, you're gonna go and 8. So really nice and cute moment. You're just going shoulders up, hands up, and 8. From here, you're gonna go 1. So right hand is down, left is up. You're trying to find this diagonal in your body. You're going 1 and 2. You're gonna turn. So watch my legs. I'm crossing my right leg in the front. It's crossed, and then I just unwind it to the other side. That's it. And left is crossed in the front. My arms are going right arm down, left arm up. I have this diagonal. I'm gonna bring the right arm up, the left goes down. You're gonna aeroplane your arms to the other side. Yes? So you did 7 and 8. You will go 1, open arms, and 2. You will turn. From here, you're gonna step forward. So your left leg is in the front. You will go 3 and 4. So with my legs, really my left leg is in the front. My right leg is basically going jump, jump, down, up. From here again, 5, 6, 7, 8, boom, boom, down, up. My arms are going out as if you're swimming through something. Out, in, you look down when the head is down, and then you go up again. Out, drop, up. So try it with the jump. You did boom, ha, jump with the right leg in the front, right, left, up. Your head comes up. Okay? So from there, let me move on. You did kabhi kabhi na 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 wo bichhad jaye to ek sta ha. You're going right to left, boom, ha. And I want you to really use your knees and your body at the same time. So it's like a push your way down and bring it up. Try it from the chassé till here. 5, 6, 7, 8. Kabhi kabhi aditi na mina na 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 khushi aur na maza ha ha. Kabhi kabhi aditi har din mushkil aur har pal ek. So on har pal ek, you're going down and up. Har pal ek saza. On saza, you will bring your hands to your fingers to your ears, because it's like saza is punishment, right? So it's like somebody punishing you, and you're like, oh, sometimes every moment feels like a punishment. Boom ha. One more time, the shoulders. Boom ha. From here, you're gonna go to the floor. You're gonna do this drop. Just do it with me. It will take a little bit for you to get it because it requires some practice, but I'll break it down for you. So from here, your left leg is in the front. Your right leg is gonna stay bent. Your left leg is gonna stay straight all the time. Okay? Remember that. Right bent, left straight. Both your arms are gonna go up to the right side, and as you bring the arms to the left side, you're gonna slide down. Place your arms first. So watch my arms. My leg is not even placing. My arms are placing first, and then I slowly place my hips on the floor. That's how you're gonna get that drop. Now this is a trust fall. You just have to trust yourself that you will be able to do it. The more you kind of second doubt yourself, the more you're gonna get stuck. Also, you might have a question about the sliding on the floor. Try and slide on the side of your leg. So from here, you're going wop, slide on the side of your leg, boom, 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 drop on the hands and drop down. ऐसे में कोई कैसे अपने, ऐसे में कोई कैसे अपने. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. You have all that time to go down. From here, straighten the right leg, join it with the left, keep the leg straight. Engage your abs, boom, 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 boom. Make sure they are straight. So from here, you want to boom, push them to this direction. Make sure they are straight. Your right hand comes on the floor. You're gonna turn your body, boom, and land on your abs. Now I don't have space. It's why I'm doing all of this adjustment where you'll be able to see this. Yeah? Let me show that to you one more time. I might bend my knees just for the space constraint. So you fell off here, correct? You're gonna join both your legs, boom. You're gonna switch it to the side. Once you're side, you can bend it over here. Step on your right hand, boom. Behne se roke. Your hands come up. Behne se roke. I have no space, but basically with your legs, you're gonna go tuck, tuck. So there's two of those, you will go tuck, tuck. All the way, I'm gonna show it to you to the side so you can see it. Your legs are going tuck, tuck. One leg completely straight, the other bent. Doesn't matter which leg comes up first. Yeah? And from there, kaise koi soch le, everything's gonna be okay. So you're gonna drop your legs to your right side. And with your hands, you're gonna push your body up and you're gonna turn over your left shoulder. Kaise koi. So all of that is happening in kaise koi. So from here, use your arms to push your body. Kaise koi. You will land up facing the right side. Both hands come in. Soch le. So on soch le, you drop your head a little bit. Soch le. Think, think, think. Everything's gonna be okay. You're gonna bring the left leg in the front. Right leg is bent. Left hand is down. Your hands are going up. Everything's gonna be. Lift your body up. Engage that core. Okay. So for okay, you come down again. O. You make the thumbs up. K. And you look at your thumbs up. Yes? That's it. That's where let's end section 1 here. Let's try it again from beginning to here. Piece all of those pieces together. You were here for the chasse. Ooh, my shorts are coming up. 5, 6, 7, 8. कभी कभी तो लगे जिंदगी में रहे ना खुशी और ना मजा. हा आ. कभी कभी तो लगे हर दिन मुश्किल. Oh, my bad. You jump with the left leg. Sorry, I thought right leg. No, no. You jump with the left leg. So you go, कभी कभी तो लगे, jump with the left leg, हर दिन मुश्किल और हर पल एक सजा. ऐसे में कोई कैसे मुस्कुराए, कैसे हंसते खुश होके टक टक. और कैसे कोई सोच ले, everything's gonna be okay. Okay? This is obviously, it's faster than what I'm singing right now. So just watch it to music once, just this section from beginning till here, till the okay. Get used to the speed and then try it yourself.
कभी कभी तो लगे जिंदगी में रही ना खुशी और ना मजा. कभी कभी तो लगे हर दिन मुश्किल और हर पल एक सजा. ऐसे में कोई कैसे मुस्कुराए, कैसे हंसते खुश होके और कैसे कोई सोच दे everything gonna be okay.
I hope you're getting used to the speed of the first section. It's not terribly fast. Once you get a hang of it, it's pretty evenly spaced. Everything kind of changes every 2 or 4 counts. There's not too many and counts in here. Okay, let's move on to section number 2. This is a really short section because there's a bunch of technique that gets introduced in this section. So I want to just slow it down, just teach you 2 bars of music so you really have time to practice that technique. Yes, so you were down here, you did everything's gonna be okay. From here on 1, 2, you're just gonna switch your body to a plank. Bring your right hand and down and make sure your body is in one line. 1, 2, 3, 4. You're gonna bring both knees in. You're gonna still look down. You have a 5, 6, 7, 8. Really nice and slow. You're gonna come up, arching your back. 5. Arms go back. 6, 7. On 8, you face audience again. So 1, 2, you plank up. 3, 4, you get your knees in. 5, 6, 7, 3 slow counts to stand up. Come back 8. And literally the timing here is da-na-na, da-na-na, da-da-da, boom. All of that time. From here, you do something called a pas de bourrée. So let's learn that really nice and slow. You're going cross with your right leg, side with your left leg, out with your right. Remember that pattern. You're always alternating legs. You're going right, left, right, and left, right, left. Again, slowly. 5, 6, 7, 8. Cross right leg. Left leg goes out. Make sure you're transferring weight so you can go right. Lunge this one. Left, right, left. Plie that knee. Again, 5, 6, 7, 8. Right, left, plie. And left, right, plie. Bend that knee. Your arms are going to go in and out. So I'm forming this 90-degree angle. My right hand is out, my left hand is in the front. I go in and out. Again, same thing to the other side. So the arms are going in and out. If you're going to the right side, the left hand is in the front, the right is on the side. Boom, boom, ha, on the other side. Yes, let's try that. 5, 6, 7, 8. Boom, boom, ha, and a boom, boom, ha. Again, 5, 6, 7, 8. Right, left, right. And a left, right, left. You're gonna go into a pirouette, which is a turn on one leg. So from here, you're gonna go 5. So you're just gonna change your arms from outside to facing inside. You're forming kind of like these curves. So basically what you wanna imagine is your hand is straight and now you have to hold a ball. So it's gonna bend just slightly over here, yeah? So your right hand is in the front, your left is here. You went 5, step that right leg out. 6, step it out even further. So your right leg in the front, 5, 6, it goes out. 7, you're gonna drop that hand and drop this leg at the back, 7. And this is your 7 stance. Both your knees are bent. You're preparing to push off into this strong passe. And you're gonna do a 180-degree turn. So from here, you're going boom, boom, drop. And actually it's like 3/4. It's not even full turn because you're really starting from here and then landing in the front. So boom, 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 ha. That's it. Just land in the front. Just think of that. Think of going up and not going around. The more you think of going up, the better balance you're gonna have. Yeah? Boom, 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 ha. And in the front. Yes? That's it. That's where I'm going to end section 2 because I don't want to give you too much information. So let's try from the floor again. You were on the floor. You did left leg straight, right leg bent. Everything's going to be okay. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Pas de bourrée. Right, left, right, left, right, left. 5, 6, 7, prep into this plie, lift up, 8. Okay, that's it. Just try section 2 to music. I really want you to hit this technique right as much as you can.
Everything gonna be okay.
Okay, I hope the section 2 technique is feeling better and you're able to join 1 and 2 together. Let's move on to section 3. Not so much technique, a lot of cute movements. Yes? So you just did your pirouette with your right leg in the passe. You've landed in a way that your right leg is up. So you don't really place it down. From here, you're just gonna place it to the right side in a plie. So once you did your boom, boom, boom turn, place it in a plie to the right side. The count is 1 and 2. So your body is going right, left, 2, you're coming up. 1 and you're in a plie, you're going plie, plie, 2. You come up. Yes? The left hand is here, the right is on your head. You're going soch zara. You come up. सोच जरा. Yes, let's try that. 5, 6, 7, 8. सोच जरा. Coming up. जाने जा तुझको हम. Step the left, right leg in the front, both hands down. Leg comes up. जाने जा तुझको हम. So this is really soft. Boom, ha. And it really doesn't matter. Like I don't need your head like to kind of hit your ear or anything. It's just a boom, ha. It's like presenting. Yes, try it from here again. 5, 6, 7, 8. सोच जरा. Right, left. जाने जा तुझको हम कितना. So from here, the leg comes in, the arms come in the same way. Kitna. You're going to turn over your right shoulder to go chahate. So on chahate, your elbows are down, the hand just comes up here, right? So you went kitna chahate hai, boom. So on that boom is when you go down. So you're going to step your right leg out. Your left hand is going to come here. Your right is on your head. And you're just going down. Boom. Ha. So you don't hit that. You don't sit till the boom. The count 8. So delay this. From here you went. Kitna chahte hai. Boom. Yeah. Delay. Ha. And sit. Let's try from soch zara. So you finish your 5, 6, 7. Boom. सोच जरा जाने जा तुझको हम कितना चाहते हैं. Boom. From there, you're gonna go. रोते ही है नन्ना अगर तेरे आंखों में आंसू आते हैं. So on रोते, you're gonna lift up रोते on the left side. So really from down here, engage that core, push up, step that left leg out. रोते भी है अगर तेरी आँखों में. So my hands from here are going right, left, down. On आंसू आते हैं, I'm gonna lift my left leg out. My right hand is gonna flip and come to my face. You're gonna show आंसू. So tears, आंसू आते. So you're going out, in, and boom, down. So watch my legs carefully. My left leg is going out. It's coming back in. Now I'm going to lift my right and bring it down. So both my arm and my right leg is going up and down. Yes? Try from soch zara. 5, 6, to the right, right, left, up, step, out, down, turn, boom, ha. रोते भी है. Right, left, down, up, down, lift, down. Yes? From here, the lyrics are गाना तो आता नहीं है मगर फिर भी हम गाते हैं, which basically means I know I can't sing or I know we can't sing, but we'll sing for you to cheer you up, right? So this is your moment. Really play with it. I don't really care what you do. When you watch it in the video, you'll see me like I'm like playing the guitar and I'm like singing and all of that. So really go crazy for this, whatever you want to do. This is your moment, yeah? So you did your गाना तो आता नहीं है मगर फिर भी हम गाते हैं, whatever that is. Yes? From there, कि अदिति मान कभी कभी सारे जहां में अंधेरा होता है. So na 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 na. You want to show that depth in your body, right? That reach. So all I'm going to do is fan from the right. The left side comes in and goes down. Then you're going to go left and come in. So these are basically two fans. But I don't want to just see like fan in, fan in. No, this is contemporary. It's all about reach and flow. So I really want you to reach to the limits of your body. Extend your torso and bring it nice and deep in. Extend your torso, bring it nice and deep in. I want to feel your energy moving around the room. Yes? So try it with me. 5, 6, 7, 8. Right and in, left and in. You will go right, left, right, left, right. So it's kind of like as if you're switching lights off because you're talking about andhera. So you're going to go right, left, right, left, right. Form that semicircle above your head. So माने कभी कभी सारे जहां में अंधेरा होता है लेकिन. So it's a right, left, right, left. 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. माने कभी कभी सारे जहां में अंधेरा. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. From here you will go रात के. Let's just stop here because that's already a lot. So let's stop here for section 3. Let's try from Soch Zara from there, just so that we can recap everything. 5, 6, 7, 8. सोच जरा जाने जा तुझको हम कितना. Turn. चाहते हैं डाउन. रोते भी है अगर तेरी आंखों में आंसू आते. लेफ्ट राइट एंड राइट आर्म है. गाना तो आता नहीं है योर ओन थिंग, फिर भी हम गाते हैं कि अदिति माने कभी कभी सारे जहां में. 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Make sure your body is going right. Reach, really reach. Okay, let's just stop section 3 here. Try section 3 to music. Watch it once and then try it yourself.
सोच जरा जाने जा तुझको हम कितना चाहते हैं. रोते हैं हम भी अगर तेरी आंखों में आंसू आते हैं. गाना तो आता नहीं है मगर फिर भी हम गाते हैं. राती मार कभी कभी सारे जहां में अंधेरा होता है लेकिन रात के बाद ही तो सब.
Okay, so you've made it through 3/4 of the song. This is the last section of your song. You're almost there. Okay, so we finished the andhera step, right? We did andhera hota hai boom boom. On raat ke, you're gonna turn over your right side, pull your right shoulder and right elbow in. You'll go raat ke. Pull your entire body back. Raat ke baad hi to. So it's like after night, correct? So you're gonna bring your right leg out. Your arms are gonna go to the right diagonal, and you're gonna go step, pull, reach. So I am going step. Both arms are going out. Pull, reach. And if you see my chest kind of comes back and then it reaches forward again. Boom, ha, reach. Yes, so raat ke you did boom, अंधेरा होता है लेकिन रात के. Turn. बाद ही तो. So you went step in to. सवेरा होता है boom boom. So this is really nice and slow, and push this out. This is almost like I want you to imagine that you're showing the sunrise, right? Like literally what you would draw in school with the two mountains, sun coming out. So basically like that, you're creating that space for you as the sun to come out and then go boom boom on the and 8. Kabhi kabhi aditi. Bring your hands out to your chest to go zindagi mein yu hi koi. This is really cute. So you're talking to her, right? So you're like, hey Aditi, it happens sometimes. So just going drop and drop. And based on if you're a man or a woman, you can make it as feminine or as manly as you want. You can always go kabhi kabhi Aditi, in the whatever, like a shoulder, boom boom, hand on the shoulder. You can have variations of this step. Yes? So you went to the right side, kabhi kabhi Aditi, zindagi mein yu hi koi. Apna lagta hai, boom. You will go right, left side, left hand on your chest. You're gonna pull your chest to the left side. Left, you'll do the same thing to the right. Right, you will go drop and boom. And the next one you're dropping completely down. And this is not like a dhak dhak kind of step. It's more of a release, extend, drop. So I want to see reach, boom, boom, drop. Yes? So from Kabhi Kabhi Aditi, you went Kabhi Kabhi Aditi Zindagi Mein Yu Hi Koi. Wapna Lagta Hai, boom. Kabhi Kabhi Aditi, So all I'm doing is a right, left, right. And on the last one, I throw my head back, and I'm also changing levels. So I'm starting in a plie, and I go boom, boom, ha. I go up. Kabhi kabhi aditi wo bichhad jaye. So the same prep like we did earlier for the pirouette, you're going out and back. You just take the front out. Like the front step is not happening. You're just going second position, that's out, and sitting down. But this is happening facing your right side. So you will go boom, boom, ha. The right hand comes up, left hand is the front. You will go out, extend your body, sit down. Now you're gonna do a 3-4 turn, and you're gonna face forward where the camera is. So from here you're going boom, ha. You're facing forward. So again, you were here, you went out and drop, boom, ha. Kabhi kabhi na 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 wo bichhad jaye to ek. That's quick. Bichhad up. अपना लगता है boom. कभी कभी अदिति वो बिछड़ जाए तो एक, बिछड़ जाए तो एक. On sapna लगता है, your arms are gonna go up. Sapna, you're gonna push down. लगता है. So you first come down over here. Boom, boom, over here. Now you just place your hips on the floor. You're gonna lie down. Sapna लगता है. From here, Aditi hasde, 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 hasde. There's 4 of those. So you're gonna go up, down, up, sit. Up, down, up, sit. Yeah? So from here, 5, 5, 6, 7, 8. Ki Aditi haste, 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 haste. You're up here. Now turn, use your right hand to push you back. So you will go haste to. So watch what happened to my knees. My right leg went back, my left leg followed. I'm going to turn on my left shoulder, boom. And I'm going to face the audience. And what happens to my head is from here I'm going boom on the left side. So if you do have hair in front of your face, like for example, this is the hair. Ooh, it's nice and sweaty, so it's sticking to my body. But if this is where your hair is, you're able to go boom. So now I can see your face. Yes? From here, we're just left with the last step. So let's finish it. So we did haste, 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 haste to zara. You landed up here. Thoda, 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 thoda. You will go thoda, up, thoda, down, thoda, up again. Now turn over your left shoulder, that's the back shoulder, thoda. 4 steps. So you went up, back down, up, and turn. Thoda, thoda, muskura. So I am going, frame your face, right, left, head. Again, 5, 6, 7, 8. Frame your face, right, left, head, boom, boom, ha, ha. That's the music, boom, boom, tak, tak. So you went, thoda, muskura, boom, boom, drop down, boom, boom, tak, tak. So you went, thoda, boom, boom, ha.
Hello? Okay, got it. No problem. Thanks.
What?
Said we had a package, but it's not that important. I don't know. I don't know.
So strange. Okay, so I'm just gonna do this last bit again. So you're going thoda, muskura, right, left, up. I'm also on the balls of my feet to then go boom, boom, ha, ha, right, left. And this is your ending pose. Yes, that's it, that's it. You've reached the end, that's it. You've learned the entire choreography. So let's go over it from, because I know there's a little bit muddled in your head right now. Let's go from Ki Aditi na 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 from there. So 5, 6, 7 कि अदिति माँ ने कभी कभी सारे जहां में अंधेरा होता है, लेकिन रात के बाद ही तो, राइट, इन आउट, सवेरा होता है, बूम बूम. Bring it to your chest. कभी कभी अदिति जिंदगी में यूं ही कोई अपना लगता है, ड्रॉप. कभी कभी अदिति वो बिछड़ जाए तो एक सपना लगता है कि अदिति हंसते 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 हंसते. टर्न बैक ओवर द राइट. हंसते तो जरा कि अदिति थोड़ा 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 मुस्कुरा. tada, boom boom. Yes, watch this section to music so you get a hang of the speed and then try it yourself.
गान तो आता नहीं है मगर फिर भी हम गाते हैं. कभी कभी सारे जहां में अंधेरा होता है, लेकिन रात के बाद ही तो सवेरा होता है. कभी कभी अदिति जिंदगी में यूं ही कोई अपना लगता है. कभी कभी अदिति वो बिछड़ जाए तो एक सपना लगता है. हे अदिति हंसते 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 तू जरा, नहीं तो बस थोड़ा 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 मुस्कुरा.
Beautiful work. You've learned the entire choreography now. We're going to piece all the sections together and try it from beginning to end. Like I said, this choreography is a nice introduction to contemporary jazz because there are some technical aspects to it. So the more you practice the technical aspects separately, other than the choreography, the better and smoother it's going to look within your choreography. Because you don't want to struggle, right, through the choreography. I want you to just feel light and feel the love that you would show your best friend and the love that your best friend will show you. Yes? So try that from beginning till the end, all of it.
कभी कभी तो लगे जिंदगी में रही ना खुशी और ना मजा. कभी कभी तो लगे हर दिन मुश्किल और हर पल एक सजा. ऐसे में कोई कैसे मुस्कुराए, कैसे हंसते खुश होके, और कैसे कोई सोच दे everything gonna be okay. सोच जरा जाने जा तुझको हम कितना चाहते हैं. रोते हैं हम भी अगर तेरी आंखों में आंसू आते हैं. गान तो आता नहीं है मगर फिर भी हम गाते हैं. कभी कभी सारे जहां में अंधेरा होता है, लेकिन रात के बाद ही तो सवेरा होता है. कभी कभी अदिति जिंदगी में यूं ही कोई अपना लगता है. कभी कभी अदिति वो बिछड़ जाए तो एक सपना लगता है. हे अदिति हंसते 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 तू जरा, नहीं तो बस थोड़ा 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 मुस्कुरा.
Thank you so much for learning Kabhi Kabhi Aditi with me. I hope you had fun. I hope you were able to learn some fundamentals of contemporary and jazz through this choreography. I look forward to seeing your videos. If you post them on social media, feel free to tag me. You can also email them to me for feedback. Thank you so much. You have a wonderful day ahead.